Guys, good morning. So I wasn't gonna film this video, but since we're like doing real life quarantine life vlogs and we're doing like I'm a real ass bitch, so excuse my French, since I'm a real ass bitch, I decided to show you guys my botch. Look at this botched ass hair color. This is what happens when you're quarantined and you boxed out your hair. The person who did my hair, which is one of my good friends, did my hair, and she did a good job doing it. Like, it's not that any piece. It's solely the hair color, like you guys can see. I'm outside, I'm driving to get some eggs for breakfast, and I probably didn't need this big ass jacket, but yeah, whatever, that's not the point. The point is this botched ass hair. This botched ass hair is the point. It's terrible to the point where I like didn't want to go outside. So I'm gonna have to do like a Target pickup and get a different color, a darker color, and see if they have it. I mean, at this point, anything, because I feel like this is too light. My eyebrows are too dark. Like, I just can't get my life together with this hair color. So I'm gonna grab some eggs. I'm gonna do my thing, and then yeah, I'm gonna show you my breakfast though, because it really looks really delicious. He whipped it together and looks fun. So I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Just wanted to come on here and show you guys this botchness, but I mean, I wanted to go lighter, and it did that. It just went, the color is just off, and I think because I have like pretty much like probably 70% of my hair is virgin hair, so it really stuck onto this, and this is the result, and it's just not cute. Outside my house, I will show you how it actually, like, okay, there you go, you can really kind of see it. It's like so fucking ugly. Excuse my French, but like it's so ugly. So now I'm gonna have to go on Target and do a Target pickup, and then my girl's gonna have to come over and help me because this is not okay. But on another note, on a positive note, I mean, this is positive. This is such an easy fix. Like, I'm not even tripping about it. It's just like annoying, you know? More positive, higher note. I just want to thank all of you so much for watching my vlogs and just all the content that I've put out the past like week and a half, 2 weeks. So I just think it's really cool of you guys. Really cool. Terrible. Terrible. For breakfast. Tortillas, eggs, bacon. It is delicious. And I got these bowls from Pier 1. Oh my god. This is so good. Oh yeah, I forgot potato. So delicious. Okay, people, so update on my hair. Yes, I have a big ass pink scrunchie. That doesn't help it. But, so update. I'm going to try my purple shampoo. Then I'll let you guys know what happens if it neutralizes it. Oh my god, that was a big bump. I'll let you know if it like neutralizes it, because if you can tell, it's like super brassy. That's why I don't like it so much, because it's super duper brassy. Like, the color itself is not that bad. Like with my face, it's just this top part. Because my hair, I had virgin hair on top, because I didn't dye my hair for like 2 years maybe. So obviously that attracts that dye quicker, you know? So maybe I should have done the opposite of like gone like from the bottom to the top. But it is what it is, and so I'm gonna try to neutralize it with that purple shampoo to like take out the brassiness, and then I'll just come back and let you guys know. If not, I did buy hair dye already, so we're gonna go light brown to cover this up. But yeah, so I'll let you guys know the business of the botched hair, because it's botched, super botched. Good morning, you guys. I know, change of hair. I had every intention of doing my makeup today, but life gets in the way, you know what I mean? But it's a beautiful day again out, so I'm going to work really quickly, and then not really quickly, I'm going to work, and then I will be going back home, depending on how late it will be. I will decipher what I'm doing for the rest of the day. Probably just dinner and some probably reading books with my daughter, and maybe go on a little fortnight with her, if depending on how she's acting. So I do have a video coming up. I have one more vlog-ish thing, and then I have a couple videos that I do want to film. I'm just at home on my days off, of like just some things I wrote down, like video wise. So yeah, I plan on doing that, and so some really good content, not just the vlogs. So I have a good like 3 or 4 videos written down, so hopefully I get those filmed quickly. And then editing isn't like, since I do it on my phone, it's like no big deal. But and just make sure you guys just keep commenting down below, letting me know if you like the content or what you want to see or things like that, and I will make sure I do that for you. And yeah, just thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and hit that notification bell so you are notified every single time that I upload a new video, vlog, whatever. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay inside. Bye.